Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Hannah Solomon, and today we are flying by camp. Mommy, what's this called? Place called?
West Coast Nature Reserve. No?
Coast Nature Reserve.
West Coast.
West Coast West Coast Nature Reserve. And today we're gonna be flying, and I'm very happy. It's hot and it's very nice. And I'm trying to post right now because I haven't posted in a long time videos, stuff like that. Sorry.
Be careful, no? Only to fall, baby.
And now I'm going to post a lot of stuff now because tomorrow I'm also gonna post because we're also having maps. We go to another place, and this is my other auntie.
No, don't put that in.
You scared? Okay, now we're going to the camp. Look, there's a yellow one.
Yeah, that's a...
Eddie worm of a yellow one. Here's a camping spot. Camping spot. Look at this. This is a beautiful view. And it was a long drive, so it was very long, so and I fell asleep. And it's the same way going to Mykonos, but it's far away from me. Like, Mykonos is here, no? Mykonos is there. And then this is the place here. So it's like somewhere. Mykonos is there. Here's the place. So we're gonna go back to the car because I wanna get stuff.
No, nothing.
Don't know what we're gonna do now, but we need a table. There's the table.
Uncle Ali was right. It's also have a nice view.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
Als nou hier in die karren
And
zie
it's
je
right
dat nog.
here, yes.
Mommy,
Ik smaak je, die ouderdom wil je nog veel loopie.
she's what?
I have sunblock there.
Yes, my daddy. Coming.
Sun's gonna
Daddy
burn
comes
us today.
out. My daddy and my other family. So we just and tomorrow is
Just tomati en litte.
off. So week off, and I can't wait to go swim.
Hey, and then I put back the
So
salad dressing because I took the...
what, mommy?
Tomati en litte, spalonie en
That
kaas.
looks like the sand is on the water.
Yes, I can.
Mommy, why does the sand look like it's on the water?
Me,
Maar die daar.
yes.
Is it on the water?
Turn it around. Sorry.
I don't like to swim. I think it's just a spot.
Het hij mij al wat
I'm
voor
gonna
gezet.
go
Yes,
get
yes, I'm
stuff
going.
right now, and you guys can come with get more stuff. Mommy, I'm gonna go get more stuff from the car.
There isn't any more stuff.
Oh.
Die korai.
Now I just go see what Daddy did doing. And I did have to do, like I was saying to my auntie, she didn't want to go on the video right now. So that's why I just went to the bottom and then I started making the video. So, oh, they're right there. So. Hello. I'm gonna go back. Daddy, I'm gonna go back to mommy now. I'm gonna go back because I just want to not right now go there. I want to help them sit up.
Almost ready for the wet wipes.
Okay.
In our bag.
Okay. Daddy, Mommy asked for the wet wipes in our bag. No, Daddy? Our hemp one, our 5K shit, like the last one. He said, okay, he's looking.
Ali needs the wet wipes.
Okay.
Just to be certain.
Where's the help? Sit up.
Hoe zit uitgezocht? De tafelhoek.
I'm not gonna eat
Uh,
now.
I take the plates out.
Dit er ook, dat is voor de
She is.
saai.
Even though there's lots of places to sit down.
Dis polonie as jy wil hier gedoen en botter.
I'm fine. Yes, plates out.
Ek het nou nie spice bee vir jou nie, unfortunately nie, maar ek het dan kaas.
There you go. Then I set up the other two.
Kaas met oeies met botter.
How do you get to them?
Yeah, it's also nice.
You
and
can go
full.
there, you see there? That step down, there. That ramp, you look stand here on the wall, then you see that wooden thing there. Can you see the wooden trellises there?
Yeah.
Now you go down there where that people is, you go down there.
And there.
And then you're gonna go down by the steps, né? But don't go alone, wait for daddy or someone.
And I'm
go
gonna
with
put
you.
this tablet here by Mama.
Tablet.
The tablet, you leave it on the edge now.
I would rather put the tablet.
Was it on? Oh, it's not charging. I mean, it's still playing. Yeah. Then you must put it so.
My mommy just closed you guys. Didn't you know that they were watching?
That's the road for the dingers.
And I'm going to give a shout out to one of you today.
Are we gonna eat now?
Because I know one of people is watching you. Camping video. Yeah. Camping video. Not a camping, but something like that. And I'm going to give a shout out to my friends at school that watched me. They said they watched me. I know you guys are watching me. And my family that supported me to make the videos. And
When you bring the
my
bag now.
cousin inspired me to do it. And all the videos
Hey, she's making a...
that
Don't put that in the sun.
that
Rather put it in the shade.
make me now. The shout out is
Keep mine
Nico,
also, man.
and are you watching? And Lala. And all my friends that watching, but they normally said first one. So Lala was the first one to say she watched me. So give a shout out to you because hi.
Oud en lullig genoeg
Sorry,
om
I'm
weer
not-
jou af te maak.
I'm
Ek het
not
die plan nie,
good
Jenny.
at school. So, and you work out too.
Wie het botte hier?
Yeah. Shout out to everyone that I know. Yeah. The thing is, Lord, sit like down. Ah, mommy.
No, you never know, baby.
Huh?
You never know.
Yeah, kind of like. Finally.
Mine, wie botte. Ja. Wat het die garage. When it's done, then you can just pack it in your cooler box so that you can remain cold. Ek nou keep jy op my kop vir die son. En nou moet my jacket maar aangehou.
You want your jacket?
No. Vir die son. Ek kry warm maar nou die punt is hier. Ek het brand nou dis die punt. Ja, ek hoor.
Wie was it?
So,
Dit was in de dinges. Nie nou nie super.
What do you want? Cheese, bologna? Here's fresh bags.
and I'm still sitting on
Plastic bag.
Dit Nee, ik heb een zak. Ik zie niet dat ik het perfect. En nou kijk ik niet die beetje. Ja,
Well, Daddy, and Daddy pass me the other one. The other one. You?
Cheese or no?
ja, maar moet Duits round.
Kali ligt dus in de...
There's the other thing. The other.
Ja, dat is
Hij is het een.
Very nice. Dibagi.
Just so. Oh, you don't want cheese?
This one.
You aan het liggen. Die is
And go to top the. Go really sit down. I'm gonna eat now. So you guys want to see me eating?
dat kleine bedrijf weer voor
Okay, guys. And I'm done eating.
You make a food in the
Pretty full. And then
is een afkapsel.
I can't bring you to the pool. So the video will end now. And I'll make a post tomorrow and it'll be longer, okay? So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to push that button right now. And if you don't do it in 5 seconds, then you guys are late. I'll pause the video. 1, 2, 4, 5. Thumbs up. So if you did it, then tell me in the comment section what you want to do, what you want me to do next. Bye.